Challenge with Orange.
And Pear.
How to
This
solve
episode,
Rubik's
we'll be
Cube.
showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
That's no easy task, but let's give it
So
a
I'm gonna
shot.
this.
Step 1, think like a Rubik's Cube.
Okay.
Think like a Rubik's Cube? How exactly are you going to do that, Orange?
Easy. Practice on your own body.
Okay.
Oh, wait. My mouth's next to my butt
Is
now.
this it?
Yeah,
Is this
something
it?
tells me that people watching this video aren't going to be able to do that.
Why not? He can
I'm
do
able
it.
to do it.
Whoa. All right, this is ridiculous.
More like Rubiculous, am I right?
Okay, step 2. Focus on completing one side of the Rubik's Cube.
And when you inevitably get one square away from completing the side and realize it's impossible, go ahead and take out your frustrations by blowing up the Rubik's Cube with TNT.
Orange, no.
What? Rubik's Cubes are the spawn of Satan himself.
No, they aren't.
Yeah, huh? You sprinkle holy water on a Rubik's
It's
Cube, it hisses at you.
impossible.
That
It's
is not even true.
impossible.
Yep, and inside each Rubik's Cube is a tiny demon who pokes you with his pitchfork. That tickles.
I give up.
That's the spirit. Step 3. Give up and get a different hobby.
What?
Pear,
Okay.
Rubik's Cubes are impossible. Admit it. No one has ever completed one.
I've just completed a bunch of them. It just takes patience.
Yeah, sorry, no kid too. My attention span is shorter than Little Apple. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm taking up an awesome new hobby, blowing up Rubik's Cubes with TNT.
Let me see if that method works. I mean, can't solving Rubik's Cube can't be that hard. Boom, 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 boom. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. What most cubers hate: dropping their cube in the middle of a solve. Hey, annoying orange. Rubik's Cubes are impossible. Look. Boom. Also, boom. I just completed a bunch of them too. Just kidding. Rubik's Cubes aren't impossible. Hey, you can solve any Rubik's Cube in any position with this move. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, those videos are fake. Guys, this video is just a joke. But, yeah, bye.